Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix VALORANT error code VAN84. This error is often caused by the VGC service not running correctly or not being configured to start automatically. Follow these steps to get VALORANT working again. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Run. Open the Run dialog. Now type services.msc. Then click OK. Once the Services window opens, click anywhere inside the list and press the V key on your keyboard until you find the VGC service. Double-click VGC to open its properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. If the service isn't running, click Start, then click Apply, followed by OK. Now open the Start menu again and type System Configuration. Open it. Click the Services tab. At the bottom of the window, check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. Now click anywhere inside the list and press the V key until you find VGC. Make sure the checkbox next to VGC is enabled. If it isn't, check the box. Now click Apply and then click OK. Windows will ask you to restart your computer. Click Restart. After your computer restarts, launch VALORANT again. The VAN84 error should now be resolved, and the game should launch normally. That's all there is to it.